What is VoiceBuddy? We all know that having text-to-speech is a very powerful tool when it's done right. However, we've seen that most text-to-speech tools just don't deliver quality results and sound like a robot suffering from dementia. That's where VoiceBuddy came to be. VoiceBuddy encompasses the best of both worlds when it comes to text-to-speech technology. Simply stated, it combines Google WaveNet and Amazon Poly technology into one software platform with a lot of added features. There are many ways you can use text-to-speech technology and make a profit. But none of them are more prevalent than creating videos. And that's where VoiceBuddy will shine. You will love the fact that you can churn out high-quality natural-sounding audio without a ton of hassle. VoiceBuddy features X number of voices to choose from. As they've mentioned earlier, they've combined Google WaveNet and Amazon Poly into this platform. Therefore, you'll get the best of both worlds. X languages to choose from. English isn't the only popular language today. That's why they've made sure to include multiple languages inside of VoiceBuddy. This way you can create audio in some of the most popular languages today without missing a beat. It is easy to use even for newbies. Listen, they've made using VoiceBuddy incredibly easy right out the gate. You simply cannot mess this up. Even if you have the technical skills of a blind caveman, 100% customization at your fingertips. No other text-to-speech platform comes close. Other text-to-speech software apps either include Google WaveNet or Amazon Poly. Where's the value in that? This, in their opinion, is incredibly underwhelming. Easy to use dashboard, everything is right where you need it. No clicking around trying to find the tools to use. The layout is designed to make sure you can start generating high-quality text-to-speech fast. Text-to-speech editor, you'll also be able to edit all of your text you put into VoiceBuddy at a moment's notice. The wide layout makes sure you can comb over your text with ease. Add notes to each audio file. Had an idea for a particular audio? No worries. Just click to add notes to any audio, and you'll never forget your thoughts and how to use that audio in the future. Find previously created audios easily. They're sure that once you get going with VoiceBuddy, you're going to be creating tons of audio files from text. That's why they've made finding any audio easy just by doing a simple search. Everything is 100% cloud-based. No need to install anything. You'll also love the fact that VoiceBuddy doesn't require you to download or install anything. This works on every device you have. Delivers on time every time. Without the nasty attitude. It delivers your audio voiceover right when you want it. Immediately. Save thousands on voiceovers. Unless you're producing a $200 million budget movie, then it just makes sense to save money on voiceover work, right? Even lower-level talent charges by the minute. Export and use with any software you choose. The great thing about VoiceBuddy is that you can download every single audio you create quickly and easily by MP3 format. This will allow you to import to every possible software available, because MP3 is the normal format that a lot of software take nowadays. What VoiceBuddy can do for you? You get more subscribers. More subscribers mean you can make money from contextual ads on YouTube. You've established a passive stream of income. You can make affiliate income from your videos by mentioning a resource at the end of the video and also linking in the description. You start to rank for certain terms in Google, which brings more video views, which brings more money. You can redirect traffic to your own products and make sales. You can use the videos to build an email list. It doesn't matter the app. They guarantee that the audio you download from VoiceBuddy will play nicely with each and every single one. And here's the biggest benefit of all. You could flip the channel for a lump sum profit, then repeat the process over and over.